The reason I came to this event is because we had a bottleneck in our business. We do a lot of wholesaling assignments, strictly wholesaling assignments, and the biggest bottleneck was the transaction side. We had a lot of deals where we'd have issues with trying to sell properties when they're occupied with tenants, occupied with homeowners, whatever it is, and getting buyers through that, and also, being able to market the property without the homeowner knowing, or we just didn't like playing in the gray. We wanted to go straight black and white and start taking down all of these assets and then putting them right back on the MLS once they're vacant, whatever the case is. So that was the reason why. And obviously Lee has built a business significant around specific wholesaling where he's taking down the assets, putting them back on the MLS, and then making a profit. And so I want to understand the dynamics between the finance between that and also the profitability, because obviously when you take down an asset, you have risk. Your profitability could decrease because of the cost of financing and other, closing costs, things like that. And so just understand the dynamics. That was strictly the main reason why I came. It wasn't for me wondering whether he was the real deal, because you can see on the MLS all the active listings he has, the pending, everything he owns. It wasn't about that. It was more about, is it something that aligns with your business? This, going and learning from Lee, honestly, you should not be a newbie in any kind of sense, because he talks at a very high, CEO and business owner level. So I wouldn't recommend it to anybody that hasn't done or hasn't built a team already, leadership and just business principles in general.